Hello children, I Vandana Srivastava today going to teach you past continuous tense. Student, in previous video I have explained simple past tense. Now I am going to explain you past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe an action that went on for a certain duration. The action that was continuing for a certain duration at a particular time in the past is known as the simple past tense. Is known as the past continuous tense. I mean the action that was the past continuous tense is used to describe an action that went on for a certain duration at a particular time in the past. Uses of the past continuous tense is to express an action that was happening at a particular time in the past. The action that was happening at a particular time in the past. The action started before that moment and had not finished at that time. The action that has started before that moment and had not finished at that time or that moment. Example: at 10 p.m. I was watching television. They were playing football at 9 a.m. this morning. This is the second. At 10 p.m. I was watching television. Means the action was continuing on that time. Means at 10 p.m. the action was going on. Okay. They were playing football at 9 a.m. this morning. The action was going, or we can say went on for that in this time. To describe an unfinished action that was interrupted by another event or action. Means the action was going on and that was interrupted by the another action or event. Like I was watching TV when you called. Means the action was going on when you called. The second action has interrupted the first action. Like I was watching TV and when you called. I was making my presentation when the computer went off. The action of making a presentation was going on that time the computer went off. Means that the action showing that unfinished action that was interrupted by the another action, as you can see. To describe two actions that were happening at the same time in the past. Yes, to describe action that was happening means two actions that was happening at the same time in the past. Like while mother was cooking, I was watching television. These two actions, cooking and watching, these two actions are going on or went on at the same time in the past. These both actions were going on. While Maya was reading, Rajat was watering the plants. These two actions, watering and reading, these two actions are going on at the same time in the past. To describe the introductory scene for a story written in the past time. When we have to describe the introductory scene for a story that was written in the past tense. The sun was shining brightly. The birds were chirping on the tree, as you can see here. Student, that are the uses of this past continuous tense. Let's see the structure of the past continuous tense. Firstly, you should know the helping of a past continuous tense. Was and were. Was is used with singular subject and were is used with plural subject. Remember it. Was is a singular helping verb and were is a plural helping verb. Let's see the structure of affirmative sentences. Subject, helping verb, was and were according to the subject. Then verb plus ing form. In continuous tenses, students, it may be present or continuous, past continuous or future continuous. We always add ing into the verb, then verb, ing form and object, or we can say rest of the sentence. Let's see example. We were sleeping in the afternoon. We is the subject and it's a plural subject. That's why written here verb. Sleeping, it's a verb, and sleep is a verb, and you can see here there's add ing, sleeping in the afternoon. She was watching television. She is the subject and it's a singular subject. That's why written here was. Was is a singular helping verb. She was watching. Watch is a verb, and as you can say, it's add ing. Watching, as I've told you, we will add ing into the verb watching, then object television. She was watching television. Next is negative sentences. Subject, helping verb was, were, then not. As I've told you students, we always write not after helping verb. Not, then verb plus ing form and object. Let's see example. He was not waiting for us. He was not waiting for us. He is the subject. It's a singular subject. That's why I use here was. And after helping verb, we will write not, then not. Waiting for us. Wait is a verb. That's why here add waiting, ing, waiting for us. The students, it's a plural because there's given s. The students were. Subject is plural, that's why I have used here plural. Helping verb, the students were not. After helping verb, we will write not. Then make, and we will add ing form, making any noise. The students were not making any noise. Interrogative sentences. Was, were, firstly we will write helping verb, then subject, verb plus ing form, means we will add ing into the verb, object and question mark. Was, she. She is a subject, that's why, and it's a singular subject, that's why I've written here was. Was she singing a song, object and question mark. Were they. They is plural subject, that's why I have used here were. Were they decorating the Christmas tree? Were they decorating the Christmas tree? Helping verb, subject, ing form into the verb, means verb, and we will add ing into the verb, then decorating the object, the Christmas tree, and question mark. Student, this is the structure of the past continuous tense, and it's the helping verb is was and verb, and we will add ing into the verb. Students, past continuous tense is used to describe an action that went on for a certain duration at a particular time in the past. I hope students till here you all have understood. Thank you.